Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one biggest Bitcoin Cash website, and this website is very wonderful. You can earn Bitcoin Cash from this website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get started. This is this website is free BCash. Okay, you can come here down, you see this much Bitcoin is already paid. This website is brand new. About that, this is paying. Okay, and you can click sign up. You can sign up filling your username, password, email account, your gender. You can select your country, any country you're from. Okay, and your Bitcoin Cash wallet address. You can click this one and click register. Okay, just I click login. Okay, I log in my account and I'm going to show you how you can earn. Okay, the first one is the Faucet. The Faucet is very wonderful. You can earn every hour you come here. Just claim your Faucet. Okay, and I have a lottery prize too. This much is lottery prize, and 2 days left, 2 days, so 3 hours left for this lottery. Okay, I refresh this one and okay, I type Faucetpay and just click this one, rolling, and how much you earn. Okay, I earned in BTC. Okay, right now, and refresh my page, and you can watch I earned this much Satoshi. Okay, in Bitcoin this much is 4 dogecoin. Okay, converted. And if you go to withdraw, the minimum withdrawal is this much. Okay, you can withdraw in your Faucetpay account. Okay, and now I go to this one and go to PTC hats. I can watch all PTC hats and earn much more from the PTC hats. I can claim all short links. This is available. Short links is this much. Okay, and you can come here, go to achievement or job or CPU mining. Don't waste your time with CPU mining. Okay, I didn't recommend you. You can go to offer wall and you can claim all the offer. Okay, 8 offer, and you can refer your friends and join this website, and you can earn some Satoshi from your referral friends. Okay, now I refer 4 people, and this much Satoshi I earn from my referral people. Okay, if I want to withdraw my Satoshi, this one told me Billy, you can see your paste. Okay, and right now is nothing because of something happened. I share with you this one instantly pay you on your address. Okay, and that's it. You just paste your referral link for your all friends, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and this website link in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself and start making money. Okay, bye bye.